So here's how to generate free brand images with AI. For this video, we will be using multiple AI platforms in order to generate our perfect brand image or logo. Starting off, we will check out the Microsoft Bing Image Creator. And as you can see, we're already in the website. Here you can click on Join and Create and then sign in with a personal account or sign in with a work or school account. I will select Personal Account from the options. After that, put in your email address over here. Then click on Next. Then put in your Microsoft password and click on Sign In. After that, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Bing Image Creator over here. This is where you can type in your prompts, and below, you can see the images that has been created using Image Creator. You can see your credits over here. Now, let's go ahead and describe an image that we want to create. I will type in something like create a logo for a perfume brand called Boss. You can type in whatever that you want, then click on Create. After that, you will need to wait for a while before Microsoft Image Creator gets it done, and it says your image is being generated or created by AI. So wait for it to get done. And once it's done, you will get to see the results over here. And as you can see, they look pretty good. You can choose from all of these options and use them for your brand logo. Choose whichever one that you like and download it. Now, we will use another platform to generate the prompt. This is a platform that uses AI to generate written content, such as prompts. And you have options like login or get a demo. For this, we will put in our email address over here and click on Sign Up. After that, you can sign up using Google or put in your name, email address, and password. We will go with Google. Then choose your account and click on Continue. After that, you'll be logged into your account. And as you can see, we're already here. On the left here, you will get to see all of these tools available. And on the categories, you can select from any of the options. For generating a brand image, we will choose Image Prompts from the left. After that, select Logo Design Ideas from the options. So on this page, you can type in your brand name or product name and then describe what's your business about. So first, we will type in the brand name, which is, as an example, Boss. Then give a little description about your business. So type in something relevant to your business. I will type in something random, such as Boss, a luxury perfume brand. This could be whatever that's relevant to your company. Then click on Create Content. After that, you will need to wait for a while for it to get done. And it says Writing on the bottom. Give it some time to generate your brand logo. Sometimes it may be a little bit slower depending on your internet connection as well as the traffic on this website. And on the right here, you will get to see the idea being generated for your logo. As you can see, it's giving a clear description for the logo design. You will notice it's a bit slower than other AI platforms in generating text and ideas, but I would say it's well worth the wait because it gives some detailed ideas that you can use in order to create a professional looking logo. So wait for it and give it some time to finish writing. Note that it will give you multiple ideas, not just one. And you can then use these descriptions on other AI image generators in order to generate your perfect brand image or logo. But since it's taking quite a bit of time and we already have 2 logo ideas, I will go ahead and click on Stop Writing over here because for now, 2 of these are enough. So after that, you can go ahead and check out these logo ideas. You can also make changes if you want. Now, go ahead and select the entire text of the first idea, then copy it. After that, let's move on to the Microsoft Image Creator again. Here, let's replace the prompt with the new design idea from Gravity Writer. Then click on Create. And as you can see, it's now being generated. Give it some time for it to get done. Note that this is much faster than the writing process. And as you can see, our new logos are ready. You can go through these options and choose whichever one that you like. Let's go with this one over here. Here you have options like share, save, download, feedback, customize, or resize. So let's click on download over here. And after that, this logo will be downloaded onto your computer. So after we're done, let's go ahead and move on to Canva. Canva is a platform that most of us know and love. And with the recent advancements in AI and Canva's utilization of the AI technologies, it made it so much easier and efficient for its users to create content. So from here, let's go ahead and click on Create a Design on the top left. After that, if you look over on the left side, you will get to see all of these options to choose from. Go through them and look for logos. And as you can see, the option is over here. Click on Logo. After that, you'll be redirected to this blank canvas. So from here, let's go over and click on the Upload option from the left panel. After that, go ahead and find the image that you downloaded for your logo from the other website. So here, drag and drop the image and upload it onto Canva. You can also click on Upload Files and then choose it from your desktop. And as you can see, the logo is being uploaded. Once it's done, just click on it and it will be added onto the blank canvas. Here, you can start editing and making changes according to your preference. So to start off, let's right-click on the image. And after that, set it as background. So here, right-click on it and you will get to see all of these options. Click on Set as Background. And as you can see, the logo is now covering the whole canvas. You can now start editing it with the tools available on Canva. Just go over to the left panel and choose your desired sections. I will go with elements. Then put in your desired materials on your logo. I will put in this shape and cover the entire text on the logo. After that, let's go ahead and click on the color section on the top. From here, you can select whatever color that you want for this section. I will choose the background color of the logo, and as you can see, the text just disappeared. Now, let's select text from the left panel. From here, go through the templates and choose whichever text that you like. Let's go with this one over here. After that, we will position this text. Let's try and put it in the middle. This way, you can change the text or format according to your preference, and use all of these tools on the top to make adjustments to your text. Let's go ahead and click on the color option on the top and change the color just to check it out. After that, we'll select the other text as well and change its color. And I think this one looks so much better. So let's replace the text with the brand name. And once you're done editing your logo, just go ahead and click on the share option on the top right corner. Then you can copy the link or click on download to download it onto your PC. Set the file type and then click on download. And as you can see, our new logo is being downloaded onto our PC. Just go ahead and open the file, then check it out. So by using all of these tools, you can easily create logos or brand images. So that is exactly how to generate free brand images with AI.